Watchdog timer is an electronic timer which continuously monitor the system and generate the corresponding action signal to reset the system or clear the watchdog timer. Generally, CPU clear the watchdog timer counting value or time interval if it is working properly. So automatically, which stop the resetting the system. If the CPU is not working at that time, it is not clear the watchdog time interval value. So then it generate the NMI pin. Whenever you generate the NMI pin, which reset the CPU. Thus, watchdog timer detect and recover from the system malfunctions. Means CPU clear the watchdog timer time interval values frequently whenever it is working properly. If it is not working properly, means the time interval value is not clear. Automatically, when timeout occurs, we generate the reset the CPU. Thus, which avoid the malfunctions occur in the system. So it will be controlled by using the watchdog timer register. It is a 16-bit register. First 8 bits are control bits. Next 8 bits are password. If you want to read the watchdog timer register, that value is 69H. If you want to write the data into that one, the value is 5A. The first bit WTI means watchdog timer interval select. So based on our requirement, for every 32 milliseconds, the system will be monitor the system. That means watchdog timer will be monitor the system. At that time, we need to select the 00. If the watchdog timer interval is 8 milliseconds, at that time we need to select 01. That means watchdog timer getting the clock signal from subsystem main clock by default. At that time, it is operating with 1 megahertz clock signal. So 1 megahertz means 1 microsecond time period. So 1 microseconds, and if the count value is 32,768, so the watchdog timer interval is 32 milliseconds approximately. So like that, based on our requirement, how much time for every what is the periodic time we need to monitor the system. That periodic time is depends upon the watchdog timer interval select. If you want to monitor the system for every 32 milliseconds, that is 00. If you want to monitor the system for every 8 milliseconds, its value is 01. If you want to monitor the system for every zero point 0.5 zero point 0.5 microseconds, at that time its mode is 10, like that. Similarly, we need to select the clock signal. So from which device the watchdog timer will get the clock. By default, it will get the clock signal from subsystem main clock. At that time, the operating frequency is 1 megahertz clock frequency. If it is getting the clock signal from auxiliary clock means its clock frequency is 32 kilohertz. Similarly, it is divisible by the counter value, that is 64, 512, 8000, 32,000, like that. So based on that, its periodic time will be decided. Next, if you want to clear the watchdog timer counter value, that value is 1. That is WDT watchdog timer. CNT means control. CL means counter value, counter clear. Next, watchdog timer mode select. We are selecting the time interval mode or watchdog mode. 1 means interval mode, interval time mode. 0 means watchdog mode. Next, if counter value of the watchdog timer is not clear, at that time it will generate the NMI signal, that is non-maskable interrupt signal. At that time its value is 1. If it is occurred, so it is occurred in the falling edge or rising edge. 0 means the NMI will occur on rising edge. 1 means it is occurring in the falling edge. Similarly, watchdog timer hold. Whenever the application doesn't require the watchdog timer, we are stopping the watchdog timer by giving the value 1 to the WDT HOLD. Otherwise, it is not stopped. Similarly, WDT PW means watchdog timer password. For reading, the password is 69. For writing, the password is 5A. So like that, watchdog timer continuously monitor the CPU and detect the malfunctions if any there and avoid that one. The main purpose is stop the motors, any major physical problems, software problems or hardware problems that will be cleared here. By default, it will clear the counter value of the watchdog timer frequently whenever it is working properly. If it is not working means it is not clear, counter value is not clear means timer will be expires, and timer expires, it generate the reset signal, then restart the system and avoid the malfunctions. Thus, watchdog timer monitor the system.